Ini jagah saya nala. Chalo, thank you.
Sometimes life just stands still until it doesn't.
Okay, so welcome back to another video of riding and talking. So Aosunep is behind me. He was ahead of me, but mualap dapay siya, so he's behind me, and I'm not gonna be talking much right now. So yeah, let's cut short the video and move to the location where we are heading, because I want to record some really cool footages there. So yeah, I hope I can. So yep, let's go. So today's weather is actually not that bad. I mean, it's oh no, poor man's glove. Anyway, yeah, it's not that bad. It's very sunny and I might get sunburned because I'm using t-shirt, although my jacket is here. Wow, may kimula outfit explain grace na mo. Anyway, yeah, we are going in from here, and then we'll see what kind of cinematic videos we get. Excited much? Also sad much? Oh, the roads are roading. I don't see any cars, so let me cross the road. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get vào tayo na. Yeah, get vào right. Aosunep sure is taking time, but it's alright. It'll give me some time to wear my jacket. Let me be parked here for some time. I think I'll try to take some, cinematic footages today. Let's see which location we, get for a shoot. I'm not that good at, making videos and everything, but I'll try. At least because that's what I love doing. So yeah. Whoa, looks beautiful, yeah. I wish the clouds were a little clearer today. Some corners. Oy, Aosunep la hoodie do. I mean jacket to. Jacket la hood to. Wow. I woke up in a new Bugatti. So the bridge here is actually closed, so we have to take another, route there. So yeah, we're gonna be going from here, I guess. Is this the way? Is this the way? Does it? Nah, upper was yeah, we're gonna take another route from here. Oh, marating ka zo to. Oh, marating ka zo ba? The Rock lang kayo. Huh? Driver cool dai jela. Alright, ये जगह बिहान इधर reels can record कर ले. बिहान इधर जगह video लो ले. Oh, bridge to. Time lo ni na zo. Anyway, yeah, finally out, and here's the new bridge. Sundaro ni siya zo. I'm wondering, did they close the old road? I think they yeah, they closed the old road to. And ni siya pura train la track khali ole kya bridge nahi. Alright. Whoa. I have a good feeling about this. I'm sure it's gonna look great. Ano ang beso. Itu nichire thanda ho na no na. video lo gole ma gorom aja la ra. Agi phane thanda jaga ite jaisa. So there are a lot of people there right now, so I think we'll go back after some time when there's less people. So me and Sunam, we're just gonna go up ahead and chill for some time. My back is burning, yeah, from this heat. Baba, the rock la gari bag aje na je khatar bishi phela je. Oh, this spot is also not bad for reels, yeah. Damn, sundar dikhe to. Okay, let me try going on the left side. Oh wow, white to. Nostalgic moment, huh? The bridge kila je. Hey, the bridge kila je. Tara na, chao, kute bajaye? अरे जहाँ मान बाल दिखे तो ट्रेन ला ट्रैक तो नहीं बड़ा है. I don't think the road is good, but at least the bridge ka view it looks good. So yeah, maybe try to get some footages there. House number is next station. Luck explore world as the. Oh, and it black top I always say. Ini balu na ye, mana mana na? Hah? Orang itu na jaya na susu cuma tu nola ola. Sawa tu na dikina. Ini balu video lo le. Yeah, the weather is getting a little sus. Anyway, what a nice spot, man. Rasta balu taisi, but the road is not that bad. Aage jawan na. Chalo, we're gonna explore whatever is in front of us. Because our heart is that of an explorer. Yeah. And it's a good thing that there's no cars out here. Yeah. Panila jaga paile pala, so we actually want to play in the water. Why am I getting a feeling that this is a dead end? Oi, pani is also. Our bridge we must drink that. Bien ayo, Aosunep mujime. Oh man, itu ki wall ba pani. Bien ayo. Pani gire suwa. Oh, look at that bridge, man. Atade bike rakina video lo dile mo sao. Sunam, tade bike rakina video lo dile balo na. Itu bridge te. Manas na nai na. Misa-misi jali biar. Or else, that's a really good spot to take a video. Oh, solar la. Have a gorilla farm as well. Good Jason, as ne, house na mo yung valley ni Jay sa iba. I have a feeling that the Tekujamala Junction no laon is na. Just a feeling, I'm not sure, but yeah, just a feeling. Hả? Rồi sao này? Ai kia nó lâu vậy à? Phụ tí sao? ये तो अलग रास्ता ले ना लेना खेती रास्ता है ना रास्ता में ना लेना Medziphema चलो चलो ठीक है ini जगह सही ना आला चलो थैंक यू हाँ खेती रास्ता है Okay, no way. So my feeling of, coming out from that Tekujama Junction was wrong. Or maybe rasta ito nagtapanyola, I guess. Okay, may video ekta linayo. Ay. So me and Aosunep were here, and then my GoPro is not working. I don't know what happened. It stopped working. So that's why I'm recording my video from the phone right now. These kids are admiring our bike and they left. But yeah, we're here drinking juice, which is over, and Aosunep is getting freshened up. So yeah, see you guys when I'm at home.